This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Grohowski. Welcome home to 9494 BECKER CT, Orlando, Florida. 32,827. This David Weekley Castaway floor plan is a coveted layout that is situated in the Manors section of Laureate Park in Lake Nona. As you arrive to your new home, you are welcomed with a long driveway that offers plenty of parking, and you will see the owners have installed a 11.3 kilowatts solar panel system that is paid off. As you enter your new home, you will note the tile plank flooring throughout, and your eye leads straight to the view of the pool and lanai. The designated study is beautiful and currently houses a baby grand piano and bar perfectly. The kitchen is equipped with a natural gas cooktop, vented range hood, built-in oven and microwave, and a well-sized center island. Upgraded wood cabinetry with under-cabinet lighting for added ambience, this is a wonderful layout for entertaining and gathering. The family room is well thought out with perfect views to the pool and backyard. Custom window treatments as well as plantation shutters throughout the home. The owner's retreat is very spacious, and the ensuite has a walk-in shower, soaking tub and spa-style open shelving, dual vanities, and an envious custom-built walk-in closet. Bedroom 2 with private ensuite with walk-in shower is also on the main floor and ideal for guests that need an accessible access. Your third and fourth bedrooms share a Jack and Jill bath upstairs, and bedroom 5 is currently built out as an office, but easily modified back to a full bedroom if needed. The media room is incredible, and you have an additional loft space which is great for a homework area, extra office space, exercise room or play area. You can even make a kennel space there. Off of the garage entry is drop zone, great for backpacks, gear and sports equipment. A rarity in Laureate Park is to have a great sized yard and pool with spa. This home has it all. You have a gas heated spa and pool, with a covered and screened in lanai. Laureate Park is one of the most coveted neighborhoods in Lake Nona. You have easy access to Nemours Children's Hospital, back entry access to Lake Nona High School, and easy access to the 417. Enjoy all the perks of conveniences being in your community canvas, the community fitness, aquatic center, parks, green spaces, and the dog park. HOA includes high-speed internet, fitness, aquatic center, and tennis/pickleball courts. Take advantage of the miles of walking and biking trails as well as all the fun boxy park and the Lake Nona Town Center have to offer. UCF Medical School, the VA Hospital, Nemours Children's Hospital as well as Lake Nona Medical Center are just part of the medical innovation here in Medical City. The USTA as well as KPMG's Lake House campus, world-renowned golf and fantastic state parks are all just minutes away. Enjoy easy access to Orlando International Airport, the 417, 528 in downtown Orlando is approximately 25 minutes.